Okay, guys, this is Hexagon tab, and this is the first step to customization. For me, it says remove from Chrome, but for you, it's gonna say add Chrome. You're gonna click add Chrome, and then it's gonna sometimes for some people after it gets downloaded to extensions, you're gonna have to go to manage extensions, and then it might be like turned off, but you can just turn it back on. Okay. The next thing is so then when you open a new tab, it should look. It's not gonna look like mine, trust me. It's not gonna look like mine, but it's gonna look just a bunch of these like hexagon things with like this like names on them. So this is what your new tab will look like, something like when you're done. And I know it's pretty sick. This is probably what you drew you. But what you're gonna click on is this little thing in the corner here. And it has like this little. It's kind of like it's a pencil, and then you can click on any of these to edit them. So what I'm gonna edit right now is my Discord. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can change the icon here, and you can have letters. You can have like a Discord like that, or you can have the icon. And for the icon, it's pretty cool because I could like say this is Amazon. I could just type up Amazon and it has an Amazon logo. But I can't play right now. Try again later. Oh my, look who just went off. But you have to, this is Discord, so yeah. And then you can click on an image, but I don't recommend doing that. Just an icon, unless it's not very well known. But yeah. So there's this. Just, I wouldn't say doing this unless they're all gonna be the same thing. Anyways, go to name, and then you can just type in Discord or whatever you're typing in. And also, don't apply show name to other. You can do this. But like what? Look what happens when I do that. Let me save it. Like it's applying the names to every single one. Anyways, then go to address, and then since I'm doing Discord, I'm gonna get Discord's link or URL and put it in here. So then you can have like when you click on this, it goes to Discord. For layout, it's just about visual size and stuff. Name size. You don't want super big name. Horizontal shift. Like I wouldn't personally worry about any of this stuff. Horizontal just looks like that. Vertical just looks like this. By the way, I did rotate. You can have rotate like this. I did -20 for everyone. I think it gives it a cool effect. And gutter is just like how close they're together, basically. I wouldn't mess out. But I will, if you want them to look organized and neat, I would apply this layout to other bookmarks. And then you have the last one, which is theme. Now, theme is really cool because for theme, you can do really sick stuff. You can have like I wouldn't worry about this stuff. Just click theme color and then go down here and do an accent. But click show background and go to an image. Like say for this one, I just went to Google. All you have to do is go to like Google or whatever you search on, and what you do. All you do is go to Google, and then whatever you use for search, like I just said. What you do is you click here, and then you just type up what you want. Like I'll say I want this one. Like I want like what's it? Cool calm images, or you can even add a GIF. So what you do if you want to add a GIF or whatever you want is all you do. It's same for GIF. You just go to cool calm background, whatever you want. You're gonna right click it, and then you see copy image link. Press this, and then just in this URL. It works in GIFs. Put it in image too. You put the image in there, the image link in there. That you just copy. Opacity is pretty simple. How clear? Yeah. So that's the basic customization for one of these. So I usually do this for every single one. And once you have your background looking pretty sick like this, you can go to this setting. Oh, but also one more thing. You can add something like that to plus. But the same process I just went through. Then you go to this, the little gear icon, and you get all this stuff. I wouldn't really worry about this. It doesn't really matter. The only thing I would worry about theme, because theme you can have like a really sick background on it. Like you can have a background by theme, and you could have an image or a video. Like look at this. I already have this on, and if you put an image, it's the same thing. You just go to it, and then you just like right click it. But I'm just going to keep it on a gradient for now, because, yeah. That's basically the new page. But the next thing we're going to be doing is so... Okay, guys, the next part is really sick. I'll be showing you how to customize a lot of different apps. Starting with Discord. This is what your Discord is something going to look like. But it's going to look a bit different depending on what you do. Now, it looks pretty sick if you ask me. Got all these customizations, and it's really fun. So, anyways, the first thing you're going to do is click the second link in the description, and it's going to bring you here. This is a Discord enhancement project called Better Discord. All you have to click is download. For some people, it's going to say it's dangerous, but it's not. It won't damage your PC. Just press keep. Right? And make sure it works. What you have to do is go to Discord, and then go to your user settings, and you should have another thing called Better Discord, like another section called Better Discord. This is good. So next thing you need to do is you need to go to the third link, and it's going to bring you here. This is called LimeShark, and it's like a perfect Discord theme. All you need to press is get started, and it's pretty sick. Pick a theme you like. Personally, I think the best theme is the Frosted Glass theme. By the way, other themes have more features than certain ones. Just click on the theme you want to edit. This is your preview, and it will be looking pretty sick. The first thing we're going to look on is background image. I personally like this background image, but if you want another background image, you can upload it from your computer, or you can come from the link, but I would just recommend uploading it from your computer. All you have to do is just select a file. Like, say I wanted to make... I'm not actually going to make this my... All you have to do is go to, like... Where is it? I had one. Just a random file in your computer that you like. And now you have this. Background image blur, you can turn the blur up as much as you want. I like my things to be blurry, personally. Background image size. Display as image is pretty cool because it has a bunch of different arrays. I don't know why it's somebody's Bitmoji in the background. Don't ask. Background image position. Actually, we're going to change that. That's kind of bad. Let's just do this. I don't care. It's probably a Minecraft skin. Yeah, it is Minecraft skin. Anyways, you have to go to... So, background image position, you can do anything you want. But it doesn't really... It just depends on what you like. Pop-out image, it's just basically it's going to be like here, like near pop-out. So I would just keep it simple. It has to start with HPS. I'm just putting a random one in there. Random image will work. Anyways, pop out image blur, same thing. Like you can make it as blurry as you want. You do anything you want. As home button image, this is cool, I think, because you can make the home button whatever you would like. And that gives you a lot of freedom. Just be careful, guys. Like in Mario Bros. You can make it anything you want. You can make the position of it. Windows padding. Windows padding is basically how like big it is, I guess. It looks like, and then Windows roundness is how like round the edges are. Show, yeah. So I click show here. Anyways, font. Go to Google Fonts and just search up a Google font you like. I like Mimito personally. It looks pretty clean. And then you go to colors. Pretty. I would say this kind of stuff you. I wouldn't matter about this stuff. Add-ons. Horizontal serverless kind of looks weird in my opinion. Radio status is just like status customization. I would click on that. Don't change anything. Server columns is like you would do this, but I just do one column. Yeah. So this is what something like the background looks definitely better because I made this super quick because I want this to be a sort of quick video. Anyways, it should look pretty sick. And when you're done, you just click download. And it should pop up. Then go to your Discord. Go to Better Discord and then click on Themes. And then you can open your Themes folder. So open this folder. But this isn't going to have any yet. But it does for me because I've done this. But anyways, what you do is pop it out. And then pop it out. And then scroll up. Don't click. Okay. Sorry for technical difficulties. click on downloads and press open the new window. Then you should get downloads, and then you can just drag your theme in there. Yeah, and sometimes you might have to click that, and then that means that and then you just press OK, and then it looks. So that is what you can do to make your Discord themes. The last thing we're gonna be doing is Crazy Stick 2, but yeah, so